Established in 2003, Shenzhen Nankaisheng Power Technology Company Limited (NKS) is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to R&D, manufacture, and sale of power cable accessories up to 220 kilovolts. It is a well-known brand of cable accessories in China and also serves many overseas customers. Main products include pre-molded, cold shrinkable, heat shrinkable cable termination and joints, screen separable connectors, busbar connectors, GIS plug-in terminations, composite sleeve termination, intelligent high-voltage grounding boxes, epoxy bushings, surge arresters, etc. NKS has now developed into one of the comprehensive manufacturing bases with the most complete power cable accessories in China. NKS has a series of advanced production facilities. The production process has reached the leading level in the industry. The electric field stress of the product is evenly evaluated, and the performance is safe and reliable. The products have passed the type test of Wuhan High Voltage Research Institute of the China Electric Power Research Institute and National Wire and Cable Quality Supervision and Inspection Center. At the same time, NKS is equipped with complete testing equipment, such as Power Efficiency Withstand Voltage Test System, Lightning Impact System, Interference Discrimination Partial Discharge Detector, Digital X-ray Machine, Zinc Oxide Arrestor Tester, etc. Relying on the perfect quality management process and rigorous working attitude, we control the process of raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished products to ensure 100% pass rate in factory. NKS has successfully passed ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environment Management System, and ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, and has experienced R&D personnel and senior sales team. The customers served include China State Grid, China Southern Power Grid, Eaton, and other well-known enterprises. It is the preferred supplier of many excellent power equipment enterprises at home and abroad. It also provides OEM services for the majority of electric power companies. Products are exported to more than 40 countries and regions in the world, including Europe, the United States, India, the Middle East, Russia, and Southeast Asia. NKS adheres to the people-oriented, technological innovation, and scientific management guidelines, focuses on the global market, solves the pain points of the industry, makes solid products, bases itself in China, and serves the world. Contribute to the construction of clean energy. Strive to achieve the goal of carbon neutrality at an early date and leave a sustainable, green, and a beautiful Earth for our future generations.